YouTubers have become this era's megastar. The number one place to succeed on video is YouTube. And if you're big on YouTube, you are big worldwide. Pretty much everybody knows you. Now, the great thing about YouTube is that you can get an understanding of just how popular people are. Now, you don't know how many viewers NBC has, or BBC, or any of the major TV networks. You don't know. That information isn't public. But on Social Blade, you can find out just how many subscribers and video views the YouTubers have and what their earnings are. So let's have a look and see what the earning potential is on YouTube when you make it big. Now, the number one guy on YouTube is this guy here, PewDiePie. And if you haven't heard of PewDiePie, PewDiePie is this 25, 26-year-old Swedish YouTuber. He does vlogs, he does gaming, he does a load of stuff that are all linked by comedy and entertainment. So it says here that his channel type is games. And what that means is that most of his videos are games, and so Social Blade has categorized his channel as a games channel. So let's have a look and see how much PewDiePie makes. So he makes, this is as a minimum, $639,000 as a minimum. At its most, 10.2 million. This is based on a calculation of how many views he achieves as a rolling target, and this is an estimate based on how many views he's had on the assumption that his videos are monetized. So look at that, and he nearly makes 1 million subscribers in a month anyway. Okay, 49 million subscribers. It's insane. This is the biggest YouTuber on the planet. But let's have a look at some more. If we have a look at Smosh. Now, Smosh have been around since nearly the beginning of YouTube. These guys do funny videos, pranks, all sorts. They do react videos as well. Look at these guys. These guys are in the 200,000 zone as a minimum and 3.4 million as a maximum. These are estimated earnings. These aren't necessarily taking into consideration the deals they probably have, the sponsors that probably get them to promote their goods, or the free goodies they get. Combined, those benefits probably add another million to their earnings. Then let's have a look at Zoella. Zoella does how-to videos, makeup, crafts, vlogs. And she has got 11 million subscribers. She's a British YouTuber. She's been around for a while. And she makes at least $42,000. And at the best, she earns $674,000. Then we've got Jenna Marbles. Jenna Marbles is arguably one of the biggest females on YouTube. She makes roughly 72,000 to 1.2 million a year. She's had 24 million views in the last 30 days. She's only done 322 videos. If we compare that to PewDiePie, he's got 3,000 videos. And Smosh, 700 videos. So Jenna Marbles actually does less videos but higher quality. So she does fewer videos but she gets a load of views per video. Then we've got a toy collector here. This person here, Fun Toys Collector Disney Toys Review. What they do is they get toys and they review them. And they've got one of the biggest channels on the planet. Look at this, 11 billion views, 8.4 million subscribers. They make anywhere between 500,000 to 7.9 million a year. And they have uploaded 2,000 videos. And they're doing what they love. They say it's education, it's basically reviews. Now, I want to show you a YouTuber. He's a gamer, but I want to show you a YouTuber that's made it even in this year. Let's look at Dennis. Dennis does Roblox and Minecraft videos. These are very popular videos for children in between the ages of 9 and 16. You know, they love watching these Minecraft and Roblox videos. And look at this. He started his channel on just March the 10th, 2016. And in just 7 months, he is now making roughly 137.9 thousand as a minimum to 2.2 million as a maximum. This is having only just really started his channel. He's uploading every day, sometimes twice a day, and look at this. He has played the game well. He understands what works on YouTube. So now that you've seen the earning potential of YouTube, you can see that basically what a lot of these people make as a minimum is the combined salary of a doctor, a vet, a lawyer in 1 year. It just goes to show how you can have the best job in the world doing what you love if you're successful with YouTube and using what's in this course to help you. I hope this video has been inspirational to you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next section.